Get ready. Here we go.
My name is Ryan Seahack. I've been working with the company since 2010. We're standing on the roof of the hydraulic room right next to our lift hill, the Storm Runner. We begin our overhaul process in November, begins craning the trains off. We have about 4 guys that work the ride during the overhaul season, 2 guys that work on the trains, 2 guys that work on the hydraulic system. That overhaul season runs until about mid to the end of March. We crane the trains back on and begin testing prior to opening to our guests.
My name is Dean Ziegler. I've been a mechanic at the park for 19 years, and I've been tasked with this amazing piece of machinery. When they're ready to launch it, they push launch. These lock valves open up and release all that stored energy. Windstrom's connected to the cable. Cable's connected to the catch car. The catch car then launches the train up the track. And the other thing that I like about what I do is watching people go down a launch track and the smiles on their faces. It's pretty cool knowing that I had a part of that.